Welcome to Windsor, Ontario, Canada's busiest port, served by 5 railways, 5 major highways. But this week, the excitement is in the sky at the Windsor International Airshow. You think it's hard getting a case of beer across the border? Try a vintage World War II bomber. Today, I fly the friendly skies of Windsor. And this is the Director of Operations at the Windsor International Airshow, Keith Baxter. Hello, Keith. How are you?
Hey, Rick. Pretty good. How are you?
Good to see you, sir. Congratulations.
Oh, thank you.
You got a big crowd.
Yes, we do. Not bad.
There's lots of planes.
Yes, there is.
What kind of planes?
Big ones, little ones, military.
Fast ones,
Lancaster
loud
behind us.
ones?
Yes, very loud ones.
Okay, and you've got some pretty impressive people wandering around. Chris Hadfield's wandering around.
Yes, yeah, that was good. Yeah.
And what's he doing?
Well, he's going to be flying the F-86 Sabre.
And look who it is. It's Chris Hadfield, one of Canada's most famous astronauts. Chris, how are you?
I'm fine. How are
It is
you?
a huge thrill.
Thrill
He's
for
an
me.
astronaut. You are going to command the International Space Station.
That's right.
That's right. You're going to space for 6 months.
Around the world 16 times a day for 6 months.
How many spacewalks have you done?
I did Canada's first, I was their first spacewalker, and I've done 2. I've been outside about 15 hours. So that's 10 times around the world outside the spaceship. That's the coolest thing ever.
I bet.
Holding onto the spaceship with one hand in between the universe and the world rolling by next to you. That is like mind-boggling magic to be out there. It's a great experience.
Bet. What should I do?
You should see some of the older airplanes,
Yes.
like the Harvards that are here.
I want to fly with them.
Oh, you ought to. They're beautiful, historic Canadian airplanes, and they taught thousands and thousands of people to fly in the Harvards. Good airplane to fly.
Hello, Edward. How are you?
A good thing.
And
Thanks.
behind me is a Harvard,
It is,
correct?
yes.
And I'm going to fly in the Harvard. You are my pilot.
That's correct.
And there will be other Harvards around us.
There will be 3 other Harvards.
How close will those Harvards be to us?
They'll probably be 6 to 8 feet away when we're closest.
Okay. What year is the plane built?
1941.
What year was the parachute packed?
About 3 months ago.
Now, when we're flying, this is shut, right?
It's up to you. You can be flying around just like this.
You can leave this open?
Mm-hmm.
That was fun! Unbelievable.
Glad you enjoyed
So
it, Rick.
much fun, so much fun! This just looks like a crazy ride. Talk to me about this plane.
This is probably the best airplane here at Windsor Airport. This airplane is a 1941 Boeing Stearman open cockpit biplane. It's just, you're gonna have a hoot.
Because I'm going up in it.
You're lucky enough today to have our chief pilot as your aerobatic instructor.
Hello, Rick.
Hi, Ron. Nice to see you.
My pleasure.
When did you start flying planes?
I got my license in 1946, and I've been flying ever since.
Wow. What kind of fighter jets did you fly?
Starfighters and
Yeah.
Sabres and CF-100s.
You flew the Sabre?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Did you break the sound barrier?
Oh, sure.
I feel like Billy Bishop goes to Sudbury. That, sir, was an honor and a privilege. It was a true treat to fly with you at the Windsor International Air Show.